An Engineering Excellence Award is being presented to AECOM Technical Services for the Denver Union Station Transit Center project. The Denver Union Station Transit Center Improvements Project transformed 42 acres of blighted former rail yards into the centerpiece of a vibrant downtown Denver, facilitating connections between the region's transit systems, including bus, light rail, and commuter rail. AECOM Technical Services met the challenge to engineer the iconic 8-track commuter rail train hall, new light rail station, and 22-bay underground bus concourse and street alignments, which set the stage for this mixed-use transformation.
The historic nature of the area around Union Station and the building itself, probably the biggest impact that was on the transit portion of the project was, the area behind Union Station used to be an old rail yard. So we encountered several environmental issues back there that we had to address during construction, whether it was coal-based filled material, which is the old coal ash that the old steam engines would run and they just dump it out. And then there was some additional environmental issues that needed to be treated, such as dewatering before it could go out to the South Platte River and things like that. On the building, one of the biggest issues is once we got to the point where we were excavating right next to the building, we were basically cutting a 40-foot deep hole 5 feet from the building. So we had to develop a shoring wall that would support the historic station and prevent it from basically tumbling into our excavation.
The Transit Center is the largest current multimodal project in the United States, spanning 17 city blocks, and is the largest multimodal project ever to seek LEED certification from the U.S. Green Building Council. The Transit Center sets a new standard for 21st century transit facilities.
The whole multimodal transit hub is going to have the biggest impact on the end users. Basically, it's the new gateway for RTD to all the lines going to the north as well as out to the airport. So everything's going to come into here. The bus terminal now serves, instead of the old 12-bay bus terminal that was at Market Street, there's now a 22-bay bus terminal that's also underground that just enhances RTD's system for moving people around.